Top 5 ways to earn on Temu fast. Beginners can start today. Are you looking for a simple and powerful way to make money online? Today, I'm revealing 5 proven ways to make real money on Temu, and why you must start right now before the opportunity becomes crowded. Temu has quickly become one of the fastest growing online marketplaces in the world, but what many people don't know is that you can earn money from it in multiple ways. Here are the 5 most powerful methods. 1. Temu Affiliate Program. Temu pays you when people buy products through your unique link. Just share the link on WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Telegram, Instagram. You can earn per click or per purchase, and beginners can make money fast. 2. Temu Influencer Program. If you have followers on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp TV, or Instagram, Temu will pay you to promote items. You don't need millions of followers, even 1,000 followers can start earning. 3. Selling products on Temu. You can become a Temu supplier by selling products like fashion, hair and beauty, electronics, home accessories, kitchen tools. Temu brings customers, you collect profit. 4. Temu Referral Tasks. Temu sometimes introduces special events where you earn rewards for inviting new users. People have earned gift cards, free items, and cash. 5. Product Review Earnings. Some users earn by reviewing products, making short videos, and posting feedback. Simple, quick, and great for beginners. Global Viewers Message. To all our viewers watching from Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Netherlands, Denmark, USA, Singapore, Norway, Sweden, South Africa, and every other part of the world, this is a great opportunity to make money online from home. Start today. The earlier you begin, the more you will earn. Ending CTA. If you enjoyed this breakdown of how to make money on Temu, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the History Plug for more opportunities and informative videos. Your support helps us grow.